Today we're doing two new upgrades to the Golden Cummins, with one of them being the loudest exhaust setup possible for a diesel truck. And I also have some very interesting news on what's been happening here lately with the local police. Oh, we're getting pulled the fuck over! And these illegal lifted trucks. It's not looking good at all for us, guys. We are literally getting banned from driving this truck in Canada. More on that later in the video. This truck has been running the dong stack. By the end of the video, this thing is going to be sounding way louder. So right here, we have the new exhaust setup. Our new exhaust stack, we got it painted black. I think it's gonna look pretty good, bro. What do you think? I hate that exhaust. Holy shit.
That wasn't in the exhaust.
Sorry, I just had too much caffeine. So right here, this is the new exhaust setup for the truck. Right here, we have a care package from Spelab Auto Parts. If you look under there right now, that shit's looking pretty damn ugly. The game plan right now is quite simple. We are installing a freaking bed stack in the back of the Golden Cummins. I love the sound of the exhaust right in the back window. This is the 5-inch turbo back delete kit from Spelab Auto Parts, and basically what we have here is you versus the guy that she tells you not to worry about. You got all these different pipes here, beautiful mirrored exhaust clamps that we are going to use to do the installation underneath this truck today. Exhaust setup on the truck got completely mangled when the truck exploded. We basically just pieced together a bunch of random shit to make the setup that's under there right now. We're gonna cut out everything that's there and then put in all the new piping. We're about to cut off the dong stack on this thing, bro. This poor son of a bitch is about to have his friggin' wiener cut off. Where's the handsaw? Did we actually use a handsaw to cut this off, bro?
You want one?
Nah. Yeah, actually, you got one? She's dongless! It's like an elk call. We have an absolutely insane, highly custom stack setup that we're gonna be installing into the back of this, but it's not gonna make it here in time for this video. So for now, we're using the original stack as the temp setup. Yeah, it's gonna sound insane. Bro, that truck was watching the news too much. It convinced it to cut it right off.
Hey Mitch, did we get that other part?
What?
What are you doing?
Sorry, man. This is what we just took out of the truck, and this is what we're putting in. It looks so much nicer. Now, if you guys are wondering how I got so big, it's all because of this. What kind of truck is that, dude? Santa Claus is getting down in that thing. Look at it. That looks like a Ford Ranger. Yeah, brother, got a Ford Ranger. Everyone's box of their truck looks exactly like this, right?
When you have 120 rock lights, yeah. It's all normal.
Complete normal. Now that's a drill bit, mate. We got the hole done. Yo, I think somebody's like just got a free ride into Canada. Yo, what the? What was that guy under there for? A bed stack in the Golden Cummins? Dude, what the? We ready to start this shit up for the first time? Hell yeah, baby! Golden Cummins has a freaking bed stack!
Oh no, let this thing in 4x4, dude.
It doesn't have 4x4, remember?
All good,
hey. Y'all ready to hear this bed stack? Minus 26 out right now. Way too damn cold. We got the fur hats out here. Oh shit, that's a lot of fuel leaking out. Dang. Go in the comments, says a bed stack. Loudest fucking. Oh my god.
That's great.
Holy shit, bro. Dude, I love this. We got the new bed stack, bro. This thing is so freaking rowdy. Going down the highway, man. Holy shit. If you want to make your truck louder, go check out Spelab. They can most definitely help you out with that, along with a bunch of different upgrades, using the link in the description down below. Hey, I want to tell the camera what the dolphin is.
So when you stick it in the wrong hole and she's backwards, she goes,
The videos you just saw with the cops pulling me over were captured only because I had one of these on the truck. So this is called the G900 Pro from Wolfbox. Probably the coolest dash cam. It is literally an attachment that goes over top of your rear view mirror. Camera is built in. Look at that shit, eh? A little cloth in here. You just, oh yeah. All right, we took everything out of this box. Obviously, your front camera right here is the clip-on piece for your mirror. You got the rear camera here that you're gonna run from this to the back of your vehicle. Extension wire for the rear camera if you had a truck, like obviously we do. And then you got this right here, which is what you're gonna use to run the power to the dash cam. GPS, well, you got some fuses here. You got this little pry tool, you don't need that shit. Nothing. This should be really easy and quick to install. Hello? Who is this? What do you mean my truck's a piece of shit? What color is your SEMA truck, bro? Hello? You guys might have seen a few months ago, I actually installed the X5 model from Wolfbox onto the second gen, and that thing's been freaking sweet to have, man. Look at this, they put a big smiley face. He's like, goddamn, look at that thing. Yeah, that's trippy. So we got the front cam there, the rear cam there. Show rear camera. Boom! The features this thing has is absolutely insane. Turn off screen. Boom. So it's nighttime and you don't want to have to deal with bright lights shining. You just got to talk to your dash cam. Turn on screen. As a regular mirror anymore. Working rear view mirror. Turn on screen. Boom. Multi-purpose, baby. So if you have a good clip where something happens, you literally just connect to the camera on your phone. You can play it, watch it back, or save it to your phone. If you guys are looking to add a dash cam into your vehicle, I highly recommend going to check these guys out. Use that link in the description down below to save some money. So basically, we're completely f***ed. First, I'll tell you what happened with the second gen. So I was cruising in traffic the other day, sitting at a red light, and all of a sudden, this cop gets behind me, and he's pulling my ass the f*** over. Oh, the cops are behind us! The cops are behind us, bro! We're getting pulled the f*** over! Now, the second gen can't actually be in Canada for much longer because it was a temporary importation. The cop was very understanding of the fact that this truck is about to go back to the United States and literally can't be here for that much longer. Little bit of a different story for the fourth gen though. I got pulled over by not one, but two different police cars, and it's all over for us, guys. Right here, we have 4 official notices from Canada, specifically province of Manitoba. We are literally getting banned from driving this truck in Canada. We got everything on video, getting pulled over by the multiple police cars. I'm gonna be sharing with you guys exactly what these papers say and exactly why we are being forced to leave the country right now.
You're not allowed to drive it. It's not roadworthy.
Right here we have 2 very different trucks.